Hey friends, if you wish to enable Ask before closing multiple tabs in Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings from the menu, search for the word tabs here. Okay, now you will have to scroll down and then there will be a section here which says, wait, just search for multiple tabs. So there is an option here which says ask before closing a window with multiple tabs. The thing is that unlike other browsers, it is actually disabled by default in Microsoft Edge. So you can enable it using this switch. And now whenever you try to close multiple tabs, let's say there are multiple tabs here and you try to close it, it will say, do you want to close all tabs? And then you can confirm it and close it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.